What harmonica should beginners buy and why? Well, your first harmonica should be a Hohner Special 20 in the key of C. Please do not be distracted by anything else. Don't look at chromatics, don't look at tremolos, don't look at different brands, don't look at Suzuki, don't look at Oskar, don't look at Seydel, and also don't look at different keys. You just want a Hohner Special 20 in the key of C. And no, I'm not sponsored by Hohner. They won't even return my phone calls. Now, first of all, why the key of C? Well, harmonicas come in all 12 keys of music, from G up to F sharp, and C is by far the easiest to play over the whole range of the instrument for a beginner. Plus, most of the instructional material out there is on a C harmonica, so that's where you want to start. Now, why a Hohner Special 20 and not something else? Well, it's an extremely high-quality instrument for a relatively low price. And I know that a lot of people are going to complain about me saying that it's cheap, but it is cheap. Trust me, try playing guitar or saxophone or piano and tell me whether the Hohner Special 20 is an expensive instrument or not. It's solid and a lot of professionals use it. Next, it's easy to play. And that is really, really important, especially for a beginner. Because if you buy a harmonica and you find it difficult to play, you can't be certain whether it's the harmonica or you. Whereas if you play something that is great to play out of the box, then you can be certain that it is you rather than the harmonica. And that's a good thing, because that means you know what you need to be practicing. And that's really important. Next, the Special 20 is easy to clean because it's put together using screws. A lot of harmonicas are put together using nails or hex bolts. The Special 20 is held together with screws, which means that it is easy to take apart and clean. And harmonicas get really, really gross, especially when you're a beginner, because you salivate more and that saliva dries in the instrument. And, well, you don't need me to paint a picture. It's easy to bend, and although you might not be there yet, bending is super cool. And the Special 20 is super easy to bend, especially compared to Seydel, Suzuki, and Oskar, because the reeds are nice and soft and easy to play. So if you're starting your blues harmonica journey, get a Special 20 in the key of C. And once you get into it, you'll probably buy more keys and try different brands. But this is the only place to start. And if you want some help at the beginning, click on the link in the description below for my free Foundations course, where I will show you everything you need to do to get started playing harmonica. All right, thank you so much for watching. Take it easy and happy harping.